stop playing with him.
PUTTY in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Okay guys, so I just put on the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint on my eyebrows. I thought today would be a good idea to show you guys my makeup that I use for Instagram. So while we wait, I think we can put on the wig, you know? I feel like, yeah, multitask. I've been realizing that I like to put my straps together. The wig fits a lot tighter on my head. The middle lays flat. Everything is just like cohesive with each other, you know what I mean? It'd be funny when I put on wigs and then my daughter wakes up from her nap and she just looks at me and starts clapping. Having a daughter is so amazing, you guys. If you're, you know, teen, you can definitely hold out. Babies definitely change your life, but they change your life for the better. I feel like my life has been changed for the better. And so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna just let these eyebrows sit for a little longer because I don't think that they're ready to peel off yet. So it actually says that this product needs 20 minutes to dry, so we're gonna start our hair. I got a water bottle. Y'all, I love this. It literally squirts out. My husband says it squirts out like amusement park mist. I love the way it squirts out. That sounds horrible. I really wanted to do like a cute little ponytail, but this little slick back shit is a vibe. With no makeup, my face all shiny. Can you say that that's actually kind of cute? While we wait for the peeling stuff to be ready, I'm gonna just take my E.L.F. Putty primer. To be honest, I like this when I'm wearing like a full face or like makeup on my face, because as you guys can see, I put on too damn much. It gives my skin a nice dewy glow. So I'm going in with number Teddy 05 by Fenty the cream, and I like to put it on my finger and just literally place it on the highest points, a little bit higher than my normal cheek. I put it on my chin, not over here because of my tattoo. Might add it to my forehead. I love tinted moisturizers. Tinted moisturizers give you such a natural finish. I literally put the thing over my contour. So it gives you a little bit of coverage, not too much coverage. If you want more coverage, you can go in with a concealer. That is your perfect shade and it's gonna make you look flawless. But I've been using tinted moisturizer for a long time and I realized that I really enjoy it. And this is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh in the shade Medium Dark 15W. I hope you guys see, because in real life, my skin looks bomb. And this is going to be perfect for Instagram pictures, because in Instagram, a lot of people like to touch up their photos. And I don't like to touch up my skin. I don't like when people see me in real life, and I would hate for a person to see me in real life and be like, oh my god, you don't look anything like your Instagram account. Yeah, no. Concealer in the shade 330, and I'll just go back over some of the areas that I want additional coverage. Definitely very optional. You don't have to do it at all, but I like to just touch back up some of those spots that might be enhanced on the camera. And y'all, I'm about to get the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me know if you guys want to see me do like an unboxing and a review, because your girl really wants that phone. We're gonna just go in with our handy dandy sharp Tarte Shape Tape, and we're going to literally just add some here and here, outside. And we're gonna blend this out before going in with a little bit of a brighter concealer. And to add the brighter concealer, it's really optional. You know, some girls and guys don't like over bright highlight. So for the brighter highlight, I'm gonna go in with the E.L.F. in the shade Medium Sand. And I'm not gonna put on a lot of this because this is dangerous. Like, this is really bright. Like, it's a really bright concealer. Like, really bright. We're gonna put on some big old eyelashes today. Oh my god, dramatic. So as you guys can see, that just really brightened up the face. I'm not mad at these dark eyebrows. So it says you gotta at least give it 20 minutes to dry. Oh, take our face, we're gonna use Banana by Fenty, and then we're gonna use Honey for the all over shade. I've been loving the combination of the honey all over my face because it just gives a nice natural, not cake like look. And honey, we are going into 2021 where you really need to show up and or show out, because we've been in the house. You know, I've been seeing people have been going out, going to bars, and I'm like, y'all are crazy. But yeah, the last thing you want to do is go out looking crazy, because you've had all the time in the world to perfect your skincare, your foundation routines, you know, like this was the time for you to actually perfect your makeup. The shade Honey, and put it all over our face. Okay. And kind of just dab it all over our face, down our neck. And this sets our makeup all day, and it doesn't give you cake fade. Leave the nose highlight. As you guys can see, skin looks completely flawless and ready to go. Now we're gonna go in with Fenty, the bronzer. You know, I love this bronzer, and I really go ham with my bronzer. Like, I'm not afraid of anybody's bronzer. And I like to take it a little higher up than my normal cheek, because if I were to just bring it down, I would look fat. I'm already, you know, pretty thick. I don't need to look, I want to like sculpt my face. And then after that, I like to just kind of take that and brush the whole area. So I'm going to finish my face. I'm going to just put on my blush, which is going to be this blush, because my camera's going to die, but I want you guys to see me take off these brows. So I'm going to be right back. All right, so I peeled one off, and why does it kind of look good? What? Okay, hold on. So peeling it off was a little scary, but it peels off. I wonder if you can do so I had to peel it off, and then once I peeled it off, I kind of just brushed it. It's kind of cute, y'all. That's kind of cute. But what I am gonna do, I want mine a little more enhanced, so hopefully there's something left on this brush just from previous, because I feel like this section I could have done more. Like, this was my first time trying the product, but yeah, kind of good. I'm a little on the shook side. Okay guys, so we got our Morphe spray. We're gonna spray. I like to spray shit ton on my face. I'm gonna put on some huge lashes, you guys. When I say huge, I mean huge. I want to put them on off camera so you guys can see the shock factor. But lip combo, I love. This is my favorite lip combo ever. I take a brown, a dark brown eyebrow pencil, and then I go in with Lolita by Kat Von D. So I'm about to come back shocking y'all with these eyebrows. I mean with these lashes, okay? Are these not the most dramatic lashes that you've ever seen me wear? Oh, I'm actually in love. So now I'm just gonna spray my hair some more. I'm literally in love with this spray bottle. Brush it backwards. We're not even gonna do like any baby hairs because we want it to look authentic, you know? Cute. We could add a little gloss to the party. Kind of spice things up. But okay guys, I'm about to change my outfit, and then I'll catch you guys outside so we can take some pictures. So guys, what I do, I have a little clicker, a remote clicker. Get set up wherever you like. The lighting is not good right here. It's not good lighting. We gotta move. Okay. Okay, so once we find the location where we want to shoot, we just make sure everything. All right guys, let's get it back to where we like. It's still kind of a little sunny. All right, once we have it the way we like, we pose. Kind of cute, Roman goddess-esque. Let me get my brush.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.